Hi, Sunny. Good evening. Hi. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Oh, very good. It's nice to see you again, Sunny. How are you? Wow, very good. Have you eaten dinner yet?
Yes.
Wow, great. Okay, Sunny, what's the weather right now? Oh, okay. Same here. Okay, so I want you to look at your book. So we are still in Unit 1, but in Lesson 3. Okay, so let's look at this one, Sunny. So if somebody would ask you, what are you good at? Okay, so this is how we answer. Okay, so I am, okay, if you're talking about yourself, then for you, we or they, we use are. You are, we are, or they are. For he, she, or it, we use is. For example, okay, I am plus good at, then the verb that ends in ing. Just like this one, I am good at climbing. Okay, what about you, Sunny? What are you good at?
Good at fishing.
Wow, that's really great. Okay, now how about your mom? What is she good at?
Uh, she good at reading.
Nice. How about daddy? What is daddy good at?
Daddy, uh, my, uh, my dad good at fishing too.
Wow. Okay. So is daddy a boy? Is daddy a man or a woman?
And, man,
That's right. So is daddy he or she?
he,
Very good. Okay. So for daddy, we can say he is good at fishing. Like that. Okay. How about you and your mom? What are you and your mom good at?
mom and I good at reading.
Oh, great, Sunny. But what pronoun are we going to use if it's you and mommy? Okay, instead of saying my mom and I are, we say we. Okay, that's you and your mom. We are good at reading like that. Okay, how about your mom and your dad? What are they good at?
They good at good at
Are they good at dancing? Are they good at speaking English? Are they good at cooking? Are they good at um taking care of you?
mm,
Are they good at
they
basketball?
they good at they good at cooking.
Wow, perfect, Sunny. Okay, so look, if you're talking about yourself, what do you say? You say, I am. All right? So if you're talking about other person, okay, like for example, me, Sunny, what am I good at?
You
Then,
good. You good at speaking English.
yes, like that. So, since you are telling me the thing that I am good at, so we use you are. Okay, for you, oh, you and me, that's two. So we say we are. How about they? If we're talking about other people, just like your mom and your dad, without you and me. So that's they are. Is that clear, Sunny? Very good, Sunny. Okay, now look at this one. So we have, oh, this one is a positive sentence. Okay, how about here? This becomes a negative sentence. If you can remember, Sunny, for negative sentence, we use not. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Just like this one. Okay. So, are you good at dancing?
Um, no, I'm not.
Very good. No, I'm not good at dancing. So, same thing. For negative, we have I am not. You, we, or they, you aren't, we aren't, or they aren't. For he, she, or it, that is isn't. Okay, look, we have here, what aren't you good at? I'm not.
I'm not good at. I'm not good at. I'm good at singing.
Wow. Okay, thank you for that one, Sunny. Again, what do we call this one? Is this positive or negative sentence?
Positive sentences.
Say that again.
Positive sentences.
Can you tell me why is it positive, Sunny?
Because it has not.
Oh, okay, Sunny. Actually, we call it negative. Negative because there is not. So when we say positive, you can see any not, no, not at all. Just like this one. Negative, we have the sentence, I'm not good at dancing. That's negative. There's not. How about for positive? How can we make this sentence positive? We say, I'm good at dancing. Can you see the difference, Sunny?
Yes.
Very good. So, what is a negative sentence? Say that again, please. What is a negative sentence? I cannot hear you. Hello, Sunny. Can you hear
Oh,
me?
yes.
Oh, there you are. Okay. So, look, negative sentence has not. Okay, just like I'm not good at dancing. Positive, it doesn't have not. Okay, I'm good at dancing. There isn't not at all. Okay, all right. Now let's look at this one. So look at the picture and the verb that ends in ing. Let's make a sentence. This is an example. Okay, look, it's a girl. So we say she is. She is good at running. What about this one? What is he good at, Sunny?
She, he good at eat vegetables.
Yes. Okay, now look, we add ing. So we can say he is good at eating vegetables like that. Okay, how about this? Look, this picture has an X or what we call cross or yeah, cross. So that means is this a positive or a negative?
Um, mm,
If there's a cross, what does this mean? Does it mean a positive sentence or a negative sentence?
negative cities.
Very good. Okay, then the sentence would be she isn't good at dancing. All right, now your turn, Sunny. Look, what sentence can you make?
They are good at singing.
Very good. Okay. Oh, this is they. You are correct. What about this one?
She is good at jumping.
That's right, Sunny. What about this? Look,
He he isn't. He can't hopping.
he isn't. You can continue. He isn't
He isn't hopping.
good at.
Good at hopping.
That's right. So we will still use good at because we are learning how to answer the question, what are you good at? What is she good at? What is he good at? So by answering that, we say, she isn't good at tapping. Okay, look, Sunny, how about this one? What is she good at? You can do it.
She is good at smiling.
That's right. What about you? Are you good at smiling?
Yes.
Wow, that's great, Sunny. Okay, look, look. What is she good at?
She good at watching.
That's right. What is she watching?
She is watching a television.
That's right. You are smart, Sunny. Very good. Okay, how about this one?
She
What's
isn't. He isn't.
good at?
He isn't good at listening.
That's right. Very good. What about him?
He is good at reading.
Very good. Okay, what about this one?
It's a negative sentence.
That's right. It's a negative. Great job. Okay, so what sentence can you make? Uh what is she good at?
He isn't good at writing.
Yes, very good. Okay. Now, what about why is it running? So this is actually writing. Okay, what about this girl?
She she is good at sleeping.
Wow, fantastic, Sunny. How about this boy?
He is good at writing.
Wow, brilliant. Okay, so that's perfect. So I'm going to give you two rainbow stars. Very good, Sunny. Now let's look at this
Oh,
story. So
this
this time
is
we're going to listen Oh, yes, Sunny. Are you saying something? Ah, you want the stars? Yes. So
Yes.
thank you so much for drawing all of the stars. Let me add some. Okay, so you have more stars. Very good, Sunny. So this time we're going to listen and read. Okay, here it is, Sunny. Oh, why is it not playing? Oh, it's not playing. So this time you choose. Who do you want to be? Do you want to be Jack or Daisy?
Where is Daisy?
Daisy is the girl and Jack is the boy. So who do you want to be?
I want to be a girl.
Oh, you want to be a girl. All right, then you will be Daisy. Okay, so let's start.
Are you good at Chinese?
No, I'm not, but I'm good at climbing. Let's climb the tree.
No, I don't like climbing.
Okay, watch me.
All right, but be careful. Don't fall.
Look at me.
Well done, Jack. Now climb down.
Oh, I can't. I'm not good at climbing down. Can you help me?
Sorry, yeah.
All right. Thank you so much for reading with me, Sunny. Now look, who's good at climbing?
Yes, yeah.
That's correct. Okay, what about Daisy? Is she good at climbing?
No.
No, she isn't. Great. Okay, is Jack good at climbing down? Is Jack good at climbing down, Sunny?
No. He can't.
Mm. Okay, no, he isn't. So what will happen to Jack? Can you make a guess?
He can not. He can't not climbing down the tree.
Yes, he cannot climb down the tree. Okay, because he's not good at it. What about you? Are you good at climbing the tree?
No.
No, very good because it's so dangerous when we climb the tree. We really have to play just on the field, not climbing because we might fall. Okay, so for that, I'm going to give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stars. Great, Sunny. Now, let's look at this one, Sunny. So this time, you're going to look at the picture and complete the sentences. So look at the first sentence. Jack's friend is good at drawing. What about number two? Your turn,
Mhm.
Sunny.
The woman is the woman in the park on good at mm,
What aren't they good at?
the woman in the park on good at tennis.
That's right. Okay, what about those girls?
Those girls, those girls can roller skate.
Yes. Okay, so what are they good at? Those girls are,
Those are those girls good at roller skate.
Okay, one more time, Sunny. Those girls are good at roller skating.
That man, that man, that man isn't good at playing basketball.
Yes, wow, perfect for that one, Sunny. So you have 4 stars. One, two, three, four. Thank you, Sunny. Okay, now, wow, we are done with this unit. So that was so quick. So what did you learn in this unit, Sunny?
We learn
We
about we learn about negative sentences and positive sentences.
very good. Can you give me one example of negative sentence? Negative. So look, if we say negative, okay, we use not in the sentence, right? Okay, so make a sentence using not. You can do it, Sunny.
Jerry is not good at skating.
Okay. Thank you for that, Sunny. So you said we, right? So we
Right.
means you and me. That means two people. So is it is or are? Are, very good. So can you tell me why is it are?
Because there are two people.
Very good. So what will you say? We are not.
We are not good at skating.
Very good. Wow. How about a positive sentence? Can you give me an example of a positive sentence?
He isn't good at
I again, we. You said we.
we we isn't good at eating.
Okay. So look, you said we isn't good at, what's that?
Good at eating.
Okay, eating. So look, this is your sentence. Can you tell teacher what is wrong in this sentence, Sunny? You compare. So the first sentence is we are not good at skating. The second sentence is we isn't good at eating. So what's wrong in the second sentence, Sunny? Is there anything wrong in this sentence? Is there something wrong with this sentence?
No.
No. Are you sure? Okay, look, let's compare sentence number one and sentence number two. So sentence number one is correct. Sentence number two is not correct. Why?
Hmm.
Okay,
Because
because
because hmm. Because we we hmm.
there you go. Okay, we. Look, we, that's the same. We are. And the second one is we isn't. So what's wrong?
Hmm.
It should
I
be,
don't I
it should be aren't.
are
Yes. So we say we are not good at eating. So take note, Sunny, if it's we, okay, we always use are. Are. For negative, we just add not. Okay, when can we use is not? Only if we say she, he, or it. Then we say isn't. All right, Sunny? Okay, great. So, wow, you're able to make a very big heart that is made of stars. Very good, Sunny. Okay, so Sunny, today we learned about how to answer question, what are you good at? What is she good at? Okay, now let's practice more. Think about your sister, okay? What is she good at, Sunny?
You look at playing spots.
Very good. What about you and your sister? What are you and your sister good at?
We are good at playing volleyball.
Wow, perfect. Okay, how about mm, your daddy and your sister? What are your daddy and sister good at?
My sister and my we are good at playing basketball.
Okay, now look, we have your sister and daddy. Okay, so if it's like this, Sunny, yourself does not include. So we say they. They aren't. Oh, they are good at playing basketball. Okay. What about your math teacher in school? What is your math teacher in school good at?
My teacher is so good at writing and reading.
All right. How many teacher in school do you have?
I have many teachers in a school.
Yes, you have many teachers. So you can say they are good at reading and writing. Okay, what about your best friend, Sunny? How many best friend do you have, Sunny?
Huh? Four best friends.
Wow, great. Okay, what are your four best friends good at?
My one best friend good at drawing.
Okay. So look, what are we going to use? She, he, it, they, we, or I? If you're talking about your four best friends, so what will you use?
We use they.
Very good. So can you say it again? They.
They are good at drawing.
Very nice, Sunny. Okay, so last question. How about you and your best friend?
I and they
We.
we we are good at drawing.
Very good. Okay, so don't be confused with they and we. Okay, we means including yourself and them. They means only them, not you. All right? Okay. Now, Sunny, ask me one question.
The best friend do you have?
I have the same best friends as you. Four best friends.
What is your best friend name?
Oh, my best friend's name is Evangeline, Kyla, and Bebs. Oh, no, just three. Oh, four. Yeah. And Rosemary. Like that. Okay, so ask me question about good at. Like, what are you or what is he? What are you? What is your mom good at? Like that. You can do it, Sunny. Like, for
Alright.
example, um, what is your grandma good at?
My grandma good at going to the shopping.
Yes. Okay, great. Sunny, don't forget to use is or are. My grandma is good at going to the city like that. So thank you so much, Sunny. So we cannot count all the stars that you have. That's a lot of stars. One circle star and one big heart. Okay, so thank you so much, Sunny. I hope you learned something. Don't forget to use is and are in making sentence. All right? Okay, so see you next time, Sunny.